Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, here at the shop we'll be working on a Dodge Journey guys, first generation. Those will be the years 2009 to 2019, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace throttle body. Now let me just introduce you to the channel that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission here is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. So what we'll be doing today, we'll be replacing throttle body on a 3.6 engine. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. The only thing missing right here now is the engine cover. So this is your throttle body and we're going to show you how to remove it. We'll also have a video that explains how to clean throttle body, so if you don't need to replace yours, sometimes just cleaning will fix problems and engine light as well. So let's go ahead and start on the procedure now. So next we just need to get a flathead screwdriver, get that clamp loose now. Okay, let's see if we can get that boot out. Yep, perfect. And then there is one more clamp right there. Okay, we're getting this one out now. So now we just grab it and we gently need to pull that thing out. Careful not to break any vacuum hoses in the way or anything like that. Okay, you can see it came like that. So now we have one rubber glide right here. This one, in our case, looks like it's broken. You have two more on the back side. Okay, they're like, you'll feel them, one right here, one over there. And what you need to do, okay, you need to pull straight up to come out of the rubber bushings. And after that, okay, this sensor here for the temperature, intake temperature sensor, pull that one out. And when it's out of the other two sensors, okay, all we have to do now, just start pulling it out. Okay, and now we just need to mess with it, okay, until we get it out. I think it will come out only one way, because there is one thing holding on the bottom. So let me figure out, okay, which way this thing will come out. And we'll show you what is the easiest way to remove it. So what we'll do, we'll actually remove that little hose, it's in the way. Okay, so let me get this one out of here now. If the engine is hot, never do that, because it's part of the cooling system. Okay, you don't want to burn yourself, because it could be under enormous amount of pressure. So okay, it got loose now. You might be able to do it without removing the hose. Okay, but I wouldn't recommend it. Now, right here there is one clamp on the back side, one plastic retainer that we need to pop up. That way the hose will go down. Okay, like that. And now I think, let's see if we'll be able to pull that guy out of here. Oh, maybe still will not work, guys. Okay, this thing is ridiculous, I'm telling you. So I don't know if it will come out without removing the intake manifold, the upper intake, because there is two guys holding on the back. So if you push towards the back, okay, come out like that. I think we almost got it out. Okay, like that. Those are the two, okay, there was a little bit of water. There are two bushings on the back that we need to release in order to pull that thing out. Let me show you where they are on the engine quick. Okay, if you look towards the back side, this is one of them. This is the other one right there. So with 8mm socket now. Okay, there are 4 bolts that we need to, 4 screws that we need to remove. Here we will have to do it by hand, we will not be able to do the impact because it's a little bit of limited room. And it's a good thing we decided to remove the throttle body, because check this thing out, we have electrical tape stuck inside, somewhere it sucked it through the intake, got there, and that's why the car was idling a little bit funny. So one more. So 2 left. Okay, this. And now we have one more on top holding, but let's remove this one. Perfect. Now we need to disconnect the wires here. Okay, this. You cannot slide it out. Now this wire right here, you can see that's a safety pin. You need to pull that thing, okay, out. Okay, like that. Press down now. Okay, that's perfect. And pull it out. And we got the throttle body out of the way now. This is where the electrical tape is stuck. So here it is, guys. This is the throttle body. That's how you remove it. We'll be cleaning ours. We have a special product that we use, cleans them really good. So putting it together, it's in reverse order that we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.